how to keep level diabetes 2 इसको लेवल रखने के लिए what we should eat, हमें क्या खाना चाहिए और क्या करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट ऑल इसको मैनेज करने के लिए we need to keep our manage weight, हम अपने वेट को मैनेज रखें. एक्सरसाइज रेगुलर करें, we should exercise every day. We should eat balanced, mean healthy food, mean fast food, takeaway food we should not use, or if you're using, very limited. Alcohol should be very limited. अल्कोहल ना यूज़ करो तो अच्छी बात है. अगर आप यूज़ करते हैं तो बहुत लिमिटेड यूज़ कीजिए. स्मोकिंग इज़ वेरी डेंजर. स्मोकिंग को भी आपको छोड़ना होगा. यू हैव टू क्विट स्मोक, मीन यू हैव टू क्विट स्मोकिंग. यू हैव टू कंट्रोल योर ब्लड pressure. So, and also if you're gonna eat fast food, it's gonna come your cholesterol high, and high cholesterol giving your blood pressure, mean your blood trouble, mean your heart trouble. So this everything is mean that is our body system, mean everything connecting with each other. हमारा जो बॉडी सिस्टम होता है वो कनेक्ट होता है एक से दूसरे की तरफ. सो हमें हर चीज़ में बहुत ही परहेज. वी शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल व्हाट वी टेक, व्हाट वी ईट, and how we living life and how we spend our day or night. We should not get a lot of stress. Everything we have to do on time. I mean, we should eat on time, we should do exercises on time, we should live life day by day. It's not mean we eating today and today's for everything. No, it's not like that. You should eat everything. You should have in balance. Anything going out of balance is bad for health, for anything. I mean, it's good to eat in diabetes 2 में fish. Fatty fish is very good to eat on that. I mean, dal, beans, mean vegetable, green vegetable. We should not try to eat salad, fruits, everything inside is very good for that. And we should avoid, diabetes 2 में हमें we should not eat eggs. और इसके अंदर योगर्ट, नट्स, एवरीथिंग we should avoid for that. इसके अंदर हमें नहीं खानी चाहिए चीज़ें, इससे अवॉइड होनी चाहिए. और इसके अंदर हमें ट्रीटमेंट क्या लेना चाहिए. ट्रीटमेंट होता है मेटफॉर्मिन. मीन ये जनरली डायबिटीज 2 के लिए काफ़ी करामत है. और I think so the best things is for you contact your doctor according what doctor recommend you should do. Just I'm giving you just small information, general information. आपको मैं मोस्टली जनरल इन्फॉर्मेशन दे रहा हूँ. आपको हमेशा आप अपने डॉक्टर से मशवरा कीजिए. You should ask to your doctor what is good for you. Balanced food, balanced diet, everyday exercises for both sides, mean diabetes 1 और diabetes 2 के अंदर. This is good. And this is all. Anyway, anything you want to ask me, please write me in below, or you can send me WhatsApp. If you like it, comment, share. If you want to be part of our family, please subscribe and press the bell I button so you can get all videos notification. And take care. See you next time.